Vesker Bianglong District Press Club pen Hamren SDIPRO asai hemalong National Press Day Catalan. Swachh Bharat Abhijan Kimang Ateng pen Kiruni alongta Nercom lapen NEC atum Tikimahen kini Kangkupon. IRCS pen Vesker Bianglong Disiaphan nang kacetong. Kardom Pini prime time aberta along pen nilisami marvelous rong pharpi nonarju iktha pirta angton pen. Vesker Bianglong District Press Club pen aning kanwang ason thotsi ingdeng kethom National Press Day Hamren rong supi Subdivisional Information Public Relations Officer Conference Hololong Press Club pli chingrumpet pen maingni. Vesker Bianglong District Press Club kaparlo Hamren baithalangso dongkamukam lapen Khironi Press Club along Klembang Phuatum Pini Phaikuni ni Phaikrei Throk Surihini Rakre Circuit Hamren SDIPRO asai hemalong chingrumsi National Press Day Reporting Interpretation a Journey alam thepi humponsi maingni. Vesker Bianglong District Press Club amaipu Daniel Inghipen mai chipaim phu ponsi mai ke pha lamthe SDIPRO asai phu Roton Bay pensi lamthe jaipon. Puthot Press Club along tin pen kiwang abang phuatum amethang chipachini ponsi minute isiapor kachikimu asai deng. Pinilabang so amayalong Vesker Bianglong District Press Club amaipu Daniel Inghi Vesker Bianglong District Press Club Kong Chunbang Longki Inghi pen kechenglok Hamren Press Club amaipu Rongbong Terang SDIPRO Hamren along Assistant Officer Roton Bay pen kechenglok Ongdung Perangki Klembang Phuatum Chetongdun. Lasoapi Press Club tin pen kewang atum pen National Press Day Catalan along media mate reporter ke klem pen kejoy kisung ke phola pen khai longri kangthur ponji aphan ahok pet pen rada kisung kaning ria puthak chethan pon rinti. National Press Day Catalan pen media klembang photum kachetong pen lam kachethan long lapen kemi ke chok ponji aphan kachethan chepare awarsai ke long apot aninga rong rinti. Phaikuni ni Phaikrei Throk det pialong National Press Day Catalan pen media mate pherang ke klembang phu arphu ke the klem pen birta loketok ajakong India det aphan kangthur ke me ke chok atowar radangno kapeklangpi ajakong kachepachong adim Press Council of India long patheglo. Pherang ke atum India Constitution along 4th pillar kapar jab along Press Council Act 1978 patheg ponlo. Press Club tin pen kewang atum penta jumis sen alam the chethan chimum ponsi mai kido RDGP. Pherang ke klembang phubang phiaphan Adon re pen kether ke hap kachene kaholo doan Press Club of India along si Charchung long popu alam the Vesker Bianglong District Press Club amaipu Daniel Inghi pen lam the jai ponsi ingsam jin pen mai pijut. Hem kimi po along cafeteria market shed public toilet pen waiting shed antado lason plia hemta pini kangpu ajaimek pachun pon. Bangso project lake Northeastern Region Community Resource Management Project Ministry of Development Northeast Region Government of India and implemented by Karbi Anglong Community Resource Development Society Hamrena hinpen kachurap chetu dunpen kikimpona hem kimi kangpu along Kopili VDC Chairman Sir Honsing Tirang alang liphan Cafeteria District Project Director Sir Senti Kemba Jamir alang liphan Market Shed Public Toilet ke Accountant Sir Lakhiram Timung lapen Waiting Shed abang ke Karbi Club Khironi amaipu Sir Mohan Teron pensi ingpu ponlo. Lapen do thulang lake generator akimita XEM Sir Ransing Bay pensi ingpu ponlo. Bangso son lake Rad Kachingrum OTT adungsi Simar Dunji mate Radaphan Ador ki jumpen kapachok Dunji aphansi kemang lapen Swachh Bharat Abhijan pen kacherap thetan. Hem kimi ingpudet aphi bangso ahem lake Karbi Club Khironi aphansi pipa jertekanglo. Indian Red Cross Society Assam State Branch Sankur Chunbang Diganta Bujar Barua Eminent Plasma Scientist and Co-opted Member IRCS Assam State Branch Dr. Sarbeswar Bujar Barua lapen IRCS Karbi Anglong District Branch Kongchunbang Borsing Phangcho tumpen Pini Arnisi Yangbong Indian Red Cross Society Ansuse Kapangtang Ponjiaphan Bor Iponsi Haflong Disiaphan Chitong Damdet Pen puthot ar nikang sampor phai kethomra minute klike brapho Vesker Bianglong DC Shade is Fakur Hemana Phan Chetong Damsi Vesker Bianglong Angkang Pi Constituency Sirke Bahawara Phan Sidame Tongsekot Kisung Ke Phuahut Kerabdunji Thekji Aphan Indian Red Cross Society Ben Kilang Kacharabdun Thekji Aphan Mangponsi Angtonalam Vesker Bianglong DC Ben Chingki Chingwai Patepon Vesker Bianglong DC Shade is Fakur Heman Ben Sitame Kachikroy Dunang Tek Hamre Nangkang Anparta Wothadlangso Dongkamakam Khiruni Jirikendeng Ulukunchi Doanta Parloponsi Radakisung Doan Akirap Pidun Tek Poputa Jaidun Halapu Assam State Branch Pen IRCS San Kurchunbang Diganta Bujar Barwa Pen Lamtheke Jai Ponke
Basically, we are from Indian Red Cross Society, Assam State Branch, Guwahati. Our basic purpose of visiting the Honorable Deputy Commissioner today is to constitute a branch of Indian Red Cross in West Karbi Anglong district. The Honorable Deputy Commissioner is the President. Our National President is President of India and State President is Honorable Governor. So already we have few members, but we want to enroll more, and after enrolling we want to constitute the branch for the humanitarian works in West Karbi Anglong district. Actually, when there was a district in Difu when Karbi Anglong was together, so now as this is a new district, so we have to constitute a new branch over here. It is as per Indian Red Cross Act 1920 and uniform rules. So I hope that the people of Karbi Anglong will be happy to join Indian Red Cross Society. It's the largest humanitarian organization in the world, winning 4 Nobel Awards. So I think it's a great opportunity for all the people over here.
IRCS Karbi Anglong District Branch Pen Ladakh West Karbi Anglong Angkang Piaphan Kilang Kapacheleng Akisung Kidoko Gajok Prabjin Pen IRCS West Karbi Anglong District Branch Keseng Ponji Aphan Akemang Doloputa Boring Phangchoben Pherangke Aphan Phanpachini Apor ke Wangbom Assam Assembly along Kapedo Ponji Winter Session Ahosi CAB Pangdak Ponpo State Finance Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma Chiklo Jonni Aphrangpen Kapangdak Atengsi Assam along Rialong Hajat Penon Citizenship Amendment Bill Surhini ra Kretrok Abangke Vanvekpo Labang Soalam Long Leklok Lesi CAB Kapachunjiaphan Arni Nangte Bokbomlo Dr. Himanta Pen Kaningji Atengke Non ke Wangji Phaikuni Niphai Inkoira Narkep Arni Pen Kapedo Ponji Assam Assembly along Winter Session Kang Nipon Nini Yangbong Kapachun Ponjiaphan Union Home Minister Amit Shah Guwahati along Nangka Homria Hosi Pangdak Tekanglo Bonta, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma Alam Thepen Bradaphan Aningka Pathia Tenke Abana Draft Alo Alongpen Kachingbar Ave Lasoangbong Asame Satumpen Thangnat Kasik Sakdonji Alam Theamatsi Klangklepu Dr. Sharma Pen Than Pachinipon Asamalong Rialong Lakli Pho Aradatum Bangsoa Bil Kapachun Pen Ake Jog Longsi Longri Kachingtur Ahar Chielong Paprang Dun Thekpo CAB alam ke khamke asaipen monsam kachesong along ke khangdun un e lasi ke khamke tum pachesong ponbom na bonta central government pen bangso bill chunvekpo bangso alam Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma pen phirangke tum angno pangdakpon News report Rongbong Terang Karbi Anglong live Hamren Pini prime time aberta bangke lapa ansikang toniglaw domi thakme kardom